Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to open this. So this is the Hot Wheel entire case actually. So this is the Fast and Furious case. So it has the entire set of cars, like 10 cars. So let's open and see. It's like a preview. I will be unboxing each and every car separately. So yeah, let's unbox it now. Okay, here it is. Okay, let's start from here. Okay, this is everyone's favorite, the Nissan Skyline GTR. I was wondering when I will be getting this one. So finally I got this today. So this is number 2 out of 10. Okay, let's keep this aside. And this one is the Mazda RX-7, and this is the number 1 in the series. Okay, let me give a closer look also. Okay. Okay, here is the Mitsubishi Lancer, and this is the number 3 in this series. Okay, so this is the Buick Regal GNX. This is number 4. We do have Buick. I don't remember if it is a Regal. Let me show you guys. So here it is. So this is actually by my store. Okay, this is Buick Grand National. Kind of looks similar, but this has rubber wheels and a unique set of rims as well. Okay. So this is number 4. And here is the Dodge Charger Daytona. And this is number 6. Okay, so this is the Porsche 911 GT3 RS, and this is number 5. Okay, I think I missed something here. Yeah, so it is misplaced. Okay, so one good thing here in this one is they are having some kind of fiber for the lights instead of just painting it out. So I personally love that one. Okay, yeah. And next one is, this is the Dodge Challenger drift car. So hope you guys remember I did a video on this. So this one is the Indian version, and the which one I unboxed, which I bought it from Dubai. So which you can see here, which is right here. This is the same car as this one. I just don't want to miss. I just want to buy this as a set. That's the reason I bought it again. I don't think I will be unboxing this particular one. Okay, so anyway, this one is a number 7 in the series. Okay, this is number 8. I was just waiting to get my hands on this one. This is a Lamborghini Murcielago. Yeah, the only one thing is, they just painted the lights up, which I really don't like, specifically for a car like Murcielago. This is a beautiful car, you need to have some kind of detailing there. This is just lame, man. And this is number 8. And last 2 in the box. Okay, this is the Jaguar XESV Project 8. Right now I don't remember in which movie this one comes. Okay, this one is F9. I stopped watching after I think 6 or 7. It started getting get boring, and Actually felt like a superhero movie instead of, guys just boosting up cars and, doing a quarter mile. Those are good times, man. Okay, this is number 9. So last but not least, this is the Chevy El Camino. I personally love this one. I mean, who doesn't love Chevy? So I didn't watch Fast X, but I'm happy that I got this particular car. Okay, this is car number 10. So now one thing I just want to tell you guys. So if you remember my previous unboxing videos, I showed you the price of the car, which is 149 rupees per piece. So this time around it is a bit disappointing. It is 249 per piece. So when I saw these cars online, I thought it was like, okay, there's scalpers are selling, and even there are few trusted websites which I buy, which I'm buying these cars for more than like 6 years now. So I thought, okay, they are just boosting up the price just because this is a well-known movie franchise. But today I went to a nearest dealer, who knows me very well. So he kept 2 boxes separately for me. I unboxed this there just to see the actual price, and it was 249. So it is just a mainline car. I don't know why they are actually charging this much price for this. But anyways, so the same is going for Forza as well. But I will be showing that set maybe in next video. So I will be unboxing those as well shortly. So yeah, okay. So here is the entire set of 10 cars. Okay guys, so if you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing, and thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.